I feel like I'm on a roll tonight, so I'll do a couple more videos, or at least one more. One of the questions they'll have is they'll give you a function like this one, p of x cubed minus 7x plus 6, and we want to show, first we want to show that p of 1 is 0, and we do that so that we show that 1 is a 0, 1 is a root. Okay, then we know that if we can do that, then we can say x minus 1 is a factor. And then, of course, we're going to use, then it says then factor, and we can use synthetic division to then divide out x minus 1 and see what's left, and hopefully it's a nice quadratic that's easy to factor. So let's show that p of 1 is equal to 0. So that's 1 cubed minus 7 plus 6. 1 minus 7 is negative 6 plus 6, that's equal to 0, checks it out. So we know that 1 is a root. So I can then take 1 and then do some synthetic division. Let's see, we have a 1x cubed, we have 0x squared, we have negative 7x, and then we have 6. Now hopefully I did this right. I've been known to mess up. Let's see, so we bring down the 1. 1 times 1 is 1. We add them, we get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 7 and 1 is negative 6. 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus negative 6 is 0. That means that it's a root. That's exactly what we got up here. So then I can rewrite, so this is an x squared, this is an x, and this is a constant. So I can rewrite this as x minus 1 times x squared plus x minus 6. Well, this one looks like, what multiplies to be negative 6 and adds to be x, or adds to be 1. I can do that pretty, even for this old brain of mine, that's going to be x plus 3 times x minus 2. So the synthetic division, that sure came in handy. So that's what they're asking when they want you to do this, when they say then factor. They substitute your value into the function to show that it is a 0, and then use that value and synthetic division to find the other factor, and then hopefully, like this one was really super nice, it factors nicely. Okay.